today we're going to make pancakes, and I have all the ingredients. I have flour, sugar, salt, baking powder, milk, 2 eggs, and even, you guys, I even have this spatula. Now we'll start with eggs. Alright, let's start. Okay. And then I'll put it here. And another one. Okay. Wow. Okay, you gotta have to put the rest of it inside. Now, I have to put this here. And now I have to wash my hands. Alright guys, we're gonna mix a little bit and then we'll put 2 spoons of sugar. Alright, and you look like 1, 2. Dripping out. And then mix it up. You guys, you know what mixing is? Agitate. Agitate, 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 agitate. Alright guys, we're gonna mix a little bit and we'll add 1, 2, 3 salt. Now put some vanilla. Whole thing on it. I'm gonna put a whole thing. Now can I put it all? Okay. Okay, there. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix and then I'll add a little bit of milk and a little bit of flour. Alright, I'm putting like there. Looks like baking powder. Okay, I'm putting a little bit more. Okay, a little bit more. A little bit more, okay. Okay, and more milk. Okay, more milk. Alright, so now I'm gonna mix it up. Mix it up. Then I'll put baking powder. Looks like powdered sugar dough. I don't know. Just like this, you guys. And put it here. Then, too hard, you guys. Make sure you practice this at home, because this is really hard to do. Now I'm gonna put here. Now I'm gonna close it up and mix it up. Okay, a little bit more milk. Okay. I think a little bit more flour. More flour. And I'm gonna mix it up. And now I'm gonna add some food dyes. I chose 3 colors that was actually my favorite. Is Fuchsia, violet, and sky blue. And I'll put each color on 3 each color and mix it slowly. And now let's start. Let's put fuchsia first. My favorite color, pink. It's not going to happen. really hard, you guys. Oh, you guys, I can't get out of this. Oh, alright, guys. So I'm done. Now I'm gonna put violet. That was actually my favorite color, purple. Ugh. Ugh, it's really hard. So hard to get out. Oh, yeah, I got it. Okay, guys, let's put. Okay, let's put it inside now. It's going out. Oh yeah, they're both black. You guys, they're both black because Fuchsia is black and this purple one is black too. I hope it was not that black. Okay, please. Okay, done. So I don't know if I can mix it, but I'll try. I'm ready, you guys. Let's start. Alright, guys, and you might mix slowly, but don't over mix because it'll be nasty color. Now let's see. There's blue on the side. Let's mix it. Mix it. Guys, it's going to be really dangerous because there's a pen here, but I think I have my mother to help me. It's getting quite hot or a little bit. Alright, guys, my mom's going to put it for me. Mom, are you ready? Alright. You guys got too scary. Oh, Mom, you drip it here. It's okay. You guys, you said it's okay. We're going to clean it after it's done. I'm not going to do this because my eyes are hot because of these gas. Now we'll need a spatula. Here, Mom. Look, you guys, it's really hard to, so ask your parents for help. Now we flipped our pancake. Guys, I think our pancake is ready. You guys, so my mom's gonna help, okay? Thank you. Thanks, Mom. Moving. I'm gonna close my eyes because there's heating gas coming good on my eyes. Alright, guys, so our unicorn pancakes are ready. Yummy. Alright, guys, let's try our pancake. I like to have pancakes with everything that's so sweet. I'm gonna have strawberry first. Okay. I'm gonna put it like a level over. Okay. Can't stop. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay. Like this in there. Guys, I never tried a chocolate in a year. Start. Let's put now chocolate. Whoa! Looks like a strawberry chocolate chip. So cool, you guys. Okay. Yeah, I made too much. Now let's put whipped cream. My mom will help. Okay. Whoa, it's so amazing. Now I'll put maple syrup. Alright. Now let's open it up. The maple Okay, I'm gonna put all over. All over. There. I think I'm good. There you go. I think I am good. There you go. Okay, guys, let's start the taste test. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try on this side, then I'll just pick it up and mix it up. Okay, let's start. Alright, so let's try our pancakes, but with whipped cream too. Let's start. Yeah. Tastes really good, guys. Alright, guys. Alright, guys. Now my pancake is delicious. Follow my recipe and let me know how it turns out. Mine turns out delicious. Yummy. Alright, guys, subscribe to my channel and see what video should I do next. And give me a thumbs up. Only 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. And make sure you comment down below